is the difference between first and third at the moment. That is the kind of tight margins that we've got. That gives us, the spectators, a real treat as we look at the world number one on course and arguably the favourite from Slovenia.
Yeah, so Nejc has been there or thereabouts for such a long time, and he's phenomenal on whitewater. He's really not as quick once you put him on flat water. That might be because he just loses interest. He loves the sport, been doing it for a long time, and is the reigning world champion.
Well, this will give us a first indication of whether he's going to defend that title. Well, he's in a good place to do that. Half a second up on the early split.
Little bit of a chest hit there, but didn't lose a lot of momentum. Let's see how the split is here.
Well, he's held on to that. It's the same as it was. So it looks like the world champion of 2018 is going to certainly stay on the podium.
That wasn't that smooth.
Wow. Oh. 1/100th of a second inside the time, and it is Žnidarčič of Slovenia who takes the lead, and what a tight margin. So now we have the top four separated by just 0.2 of a second. Still though, one to go.
Yeah, that would so half a second up, maybe 50 meters from the end, and then this line right at the bottom